They're noisy.
But so when people take them home, they know where they came from. Hey, there's a green one, but it's not moving.
Where? Come on! Oh.
Isn't that weird? Look at the joints go out and down. I think they were made backwards.
They sound like geese.
Look, it feels like a horn.
Yeah, there's a thing. You just took it out. Mira, fíjate allá enfrente. ¿Viste la flor? Allá enfrente. Ahí está un gorila. ¿Lo ves? Ahí sentado. Está comiendo. ¿No lo viste? Y allá arriba tenemos otro. I got the perfect.
One's going to drop his twig.
Oops, she threw him down.
One climbing down here. Little one down below you here.
Yeah. Oh.
He froze. Say, do sign language. Say, take a picture of those.
Well, I picked up these rocks for the look where it's going. That must be a deciduous tree behind us.
That one. They don't make noise, do they?
They don't want to come out.
That's the one that was walking.
Can you take a picture of this one?
Are you standing underneath?
Yes, that's what I said. Splat.
Side of my two friends from the land down under, Daphne and Savannah. Thank you, girls. Away. This chubby little fella's name is Corky, and Cork is a California harbor seal. He is the true
like
seal,
Katrina.
not the sea lion, like the ones you would have seen performing in our other show here at the Bowl. These animals are always being confused. They're actually quite different. For instance, sea lions are much larger. There is no escape. They're much larger. They have a long, sleek body and a solid colored coat. Harbor seals are more persistent. They're the round, roly-poly version. They have a spotted coat instead. If you still can't tell them apart by just looking at them, watch them move sometime. Are you ready? Talk. One more. Thank you, Corky. That was lovely. Isn't that attractive? And doesn't it sound a little bit like your kitchen garbage disposal? Sort of. Seals and sea lions are very intelligent animals. Perhaps by now you have noticed Corky uses his superior intelligence to get a little extra fish and attention. He's got 5 very sharp claws on the end of those flippers. They go right through the material down to my bare skin. I never ever forget to keep the fish coming. What he is really hinting at is a chance to hop in the water and show off a bit. There, his hind flippers form his main source of propulsion, and with one powerful stroke, he can easily sail right over our jump here. Let me put him in the water and he will show you folks just what he can do. That's your cue to turn around and turn it on. Head for the water, top speed. Diving, attaboy, all the way up and over! Let's try that again. This time, pay attention, concentrate. Build up your speed, you can do it! Corky, tell you what, I'm going to give you another chance. Kind of slid out on that one, didn't you? I'm going to give you another chance, but this time I'm asking for some help. I think my little buddy might need to hear some encouragement out there. How about giving him something to jump for? Ready, set, jump!
Just head over there, Alicia, you can touch his head. Never.
He's walking.
Big turtle. There's the big one. With the button in the mouth.
Look at it. He's smiling.
He's smiling, right.
Look, watch yourself.
There's turtles over here.
Smell funny. So they smell funny. What?
Shy and cautious.
Well, yeah.
Spectacled bear. Oh, he says, look at his nails. Oh, let's see, I need a manicure. Oh, look at those paws. Oh, look at him.
And just as good as the American history. Ooh, that one? Yep. So it's pretty good.
Well, look at the head on this side.
Molly, you know what? I hear that they're trying to kill our American bear.
Is that there alive? Hi. One up there. Oh, yeah, now.
Yeah, his nose just twinkled.
Oh, there he goes.
What's he doing? Look at him. What are you looking at?
Okay. Yeah, Dad's a bear. They aren't. They're having.
They have to have very
It sounds like he's nursing. It's nursing right now. Dinner time. Starting to cool off, starting to move around.
Mommy, can I sit up here?